Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be breaking into our operator module series and going to be doing a requested video. So we're actually going to be looking at Pandas series and the methods associated with it. So alright, let's just go ahead and get after it. So this question comes from a subscriber who hasn't been around a long time but has been doing a great deal of work. The last time I saw, actually this question is associated with video 400 something, and they are just flying through. So let's just go ahead and take a peek at it. So what it was it was dealing with our data frame, and we were doing our baby names. So we were bringing in our names that we were downloading, and birth names was the series that we were doing. And then we were looking at some methods, and we looked at group by. So the question was really, what does group by, what are the methods, how can we, because we then believe we did a sum on the count. Well, that is on me. I flew through that, and early on I'm not the most organized person, but I was very much not as organized as I was, or as the series was, and I've meant to go back and address all of these. So let's look at this. So here's our data frame. So then what I did is I did group by, and I really glossed over this. So this is a fantastic question. Year, and I closed this out. Then I wanted to group by year, and then I wanted to do things with count. And then I did sum. Well, I really flew through of how this is actually coming to be. So let's actually dissect this. So this is a fantastic question. So now we're going to turn this into group so we can really see where this is coming from. Equals the data frame, group by, and then you're going to see how I'm coming up with this and why I'm calling this a Pandas series, because this is actually what we're creating. All right, so now let's look at this. So I made a Pandas series, a group by object. So right now it's just sitting there. And how do we find our methods? What are the tools that we have to look at our methods? So we run group, we run dir on group, right? Aha. So now let me show you this. So now here's Pandas series. And don't forget, a series is just one singular column. A data frame is the whole layout, but a series is a slice. So now that's the only part of this I do not like. So you have attributes and methods mixed in here. But if you look right, I believe it's right here, is it all? Add ags is, yeah, attributes. So we are right here. Here is the rest. Here are all of the methods that are associated with it. And you can run help on each of these, but also here is the actual breakdown, because what the question is where is a list of all the methods for group by? Well, I dropped the ball on that. When we're using group by, we're actually creating a series, a Pandas series. And for all Pandas series, these methods are applicable. So I used sum, I believe. Then you can use count, and as you can go through, and we can see all these right here. You got standard deviation, you got product. You can just go ahead and plot it. You can get the max values, the min values for each year. You can count each one. Yeah, there it is. So you can go through. So great question, because even as slow as I'm going, I still go too quickly. I realize that. So whenever if you guys think for a moment that you're not understanding something, that means I didn't explain it well enough. So ask the question, because somebody else isn't getting it. it'll let me go in and dissect this even more. So fantastic, great question. This is what this channel is supposed to be. It is supposed to fill in any gaps that no place else has it. So I love this question. So thank you to the subscriber. I did not ask permission, so I have not used their name today. I wanted to get this video done. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Stay tuned till the end to see any videos you may not have seen before. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.